I'm here at the park. This is Steyer Nature Preserve. Out doing a photo walk. Look at this. Slightly obsessed with mushrooms right now. And fungus. Oh, there's some good ones back there. Right there in front of the tree. Let's see if I can get it with my camera. The mosquitoes are killing me. Grr. Dragon thing in my ear. I even have bug spray on. Okay. So I already walked out on this trail. Now I'm walking back. I've been park hopping today. Going from one park to another to get photos. So this is the nature preserve. Earlier this year in the spring when I was out here, I saw like 10 snakes in a mile. Like big water snakes. The big black ones. I haven't seen any today though. Found a bunch of cool mushrooms so trying to get more comfortable with my Nikon camera because I'm going to be leading some photo walks in Tiffin and Spider Toledo. Going to be doing composition in the park photo walks. So it's kind of exciting. Okay, let's see. There were some good mushrooms up here earlier. I can't remember. Oh, yeah, I forgot. This is the ravine trail. I think I've done a video on this before. I love how that just snakes around there. You can see how low, I mean, not super low, but low enough. It's about the best you're gonna get for this area. Oh, look at these mushrooms right there. There's one back there. I've been running at this nature preserve for years. Like, no joke. Years. And oh my god. I totally missed that guy. Look at that. That is so cool. Dang. I got those ones earlier. Oh, but I've been running at this nature preserve for years. At least 5 or 6 years. And I can tell you, if I saw mushrooms back then, I don't remember. This is seriously the first time I've ever noticed mushrooms this summer. It's crazy. Like when you're running or hiking, you can go right by them and not notice. But I've been slowing down to take photos of stuff, so this is off of this is kind of cool. Fungus there. Whew. I've been slowing down a lot this summer so I can take photos of stuff, and it's crazy what you notice that you've never seen before when you slow down. I never knew this. There's like a path there. I've never gone down there before. Grr. This is seriously one of my favorite nature preserves around here. It's just so peaceful. And some good trails. And there are obviously snakes and mushrooms. We get back up the hill. I'll see if I can remember that trail I cut over on to find the red mushrooms. Those are pretty sweet. I don't really see them a lot here. This is like the best you're gonna get for a hill around here. Great view down there. Okay. I seriously go so slow when I walk now. I think I've already been out here for an hour and a half. And I haven't covered that many miles, I've just stopped so much. Oh, look at this. Wow. That is awesome. Missed that earlier. Because I didn't come down now. Whew. I'm roasting. Let's see. This is the main path that takes you back to a little cabin up here. And these are the ones, there's a bunch of little ones on the side that take you to the other trail. We'll go over there so I can show you some of the cool mushrooms because they're around this one over here. Whew. It has been a long day of hiking. Oh no, which one am I on? Do I still gotta go down and up? Oh no. I haven't done this backwards, so I don't know where I am. I just keep kayaking down there, or canoeing. Oh no, that's the one that goes down. Look at this view real quick. Dusky river down there. Look at that. That's pretty amazing. Yeah, this goes down, across the bridge, over that way, and then it comes out back there where it was. Right. Picking up hickory. Alright, I'm just going to show you some of these cool mushrooms up here. Because this is crazy with mushrooms. I just passed a couple, but it's all good. Oh, here's one. Look at this one. It's so cool. Okay, this is where they start, where there's so many. Get off me, mosquito. Stupid mosquito. Okay, here we go. Here's that one. I love the red ones though. They're like everywhere. There's another little one there. Alright, we'll go across this bridge. Hopefully there are no snakes. The one day I was running here when I saw the snakes, there were 2 big ones just laying in the middle of the bridge. Slightly terrified. So afraid I'm gonna see them again. But everybody's like, oh, they're not. They won't hurt you. Somebody said the big water ones are just lazy. Look at that, that's pretty cool. This video is going kind of long, but oh, here's these ones. I don't know if I photoed those earlier or not. So let me photo them. I think those are the people that started kayaking when I started hiking. Oh, look at all these here. Look at this. This whole side right here is full of them. And then there's more. These kind of look like pancakes. There's a bunch more down there. And where was another good one? There was some really cool one up here somewhere. Oh, these are kind of cool looking. But these are like dying though. Don't think this is the one I brought over. So really, yeah, a little bit farther. There's a nice drop to the river there. There's some mushroom there. There's some mushrooms there. There was a bunch of the red ones somewhere. Oh, yeah, we're gonna pass that. There's got a bee there hanging out. Oh, look at these. Yes, this is where it is right here. Look at all of these. Oh, this one. Check this guy out. This thing is so stinking big. That one's awesome. And the red ones are just up here. There's some more there. There's a little red one. Oh, here we go. These ones, yes. Alright, this is the last ones I'll show you. Look at how cool they are. Okay.